Good morning, boys and girls. So you will remember yesterday in your math packet, I asked you to change this home link. You can see I crossed out Monday, and I'm asking you to make it a Tuesday. All right, so this will be our first assignment this morning, and you need to make sure that you read the directions carefully because the directions are asking you to actually do two steps. Write the fractions from smallest to largest, then justify your conclusions by placing the numbers in the correct places on the number lines. So not only must you put them in the correct order there, they want you to take really good guesses at where you think they would go on the number line. And there are correct answers, so don't just randomly place them, okay? So you have questions 1, 2, and 3. It's not easy. I would probably use your highlighted, laminated fraction strip paper. At the bottom, you must show me your work. I don't want to see you like carrying numbers down here. I want you to show me your work like this. Write the problem, 5,494 plus 3,769. I want to see you write each problem. I want to see you carrying, or on the subtraction problems, I want to see the borrowing. So you can either show the work down here or you can show it on the back of this paper. All right, looking ahead. So you're going to complete this paper. This is ordering decimals, okay? From least, which means smallest, to largest. If any of you are like me and it's easier to think about money, I would add zeros for placeholders. Put a decimal. So this would be $4.50, $4.05, $5.40, $5.45, and $5. I'm going to set up my paper by adding zeros where they're needed. That way, it will make it easier for some of you. 0, I'm not touching that. Okay. But for some of you, this is a really good strategy. Okay. You are now going to cross out this bottom. All right? So that's your second assignment for the day. Your third assignment for the day. I want to go over this table with you. Okay, fill in the blanks. So this column is number in words. This will be your fraction. This will be your decimal. So let me show you. 1/10. As a fraction, you write it 1/10. As a decimal, you can write just like that, decimal point 1. So you read which information they give you, and then you fill in the others, okay? Question 2 says, name 2 ways you might see decimals used outside of school, all right? And then question 3, what decimal is represented by the tick labeled M? They want to know what decimal would that be? So if you're starting at 0, 1, 2 jumps. So give me the decimal, then give me the fraction. P's tricky. P is super tricky. And I want to see, would you be able to label what you think that decimal would be? And what fraction do you think that would be? That's tricky. The bottom, I want all the factors of 100. If I were you, I would factor a rainbow. I'll start you off. The line is long because there's a lot of them. Okay? List the factors of 100 that are prime. So of the factors that you're going to write down for 100, which of those numbers are prime? Then they want you to write the factor pairs for 42. So over to the right, I'll start you off. Factor rainbow, 42. And then over here, I'll write 1 and 42. Okay? And you might not get to this assignment because technically we took a Monday activity and put it to Tuesday. Complete this assignment if you have the time. If you don't have the time, do not worry about it. We will put it towards Wednesday. But it's comparing decimals, okay? Pretty much the same directions, okay? This is different. Write the number that is 1/10 more than each of these numbers. That's pretty tricky. And then write the number that is 1/10 less. Just give it your best shot, okay? And again, these problems at the bottom, if you have time to do them, I expect you to write them out and show me your carrying and show me your borrowing.